In this video, let's learn how to fix Windows cannot install required files. Make sure that all files required for installations are available and restart the installation. Okay, so next, now go ahead and hold on Shift and press F10. Now once this pops up, you want to make sure you press enter after every command. Now type in diskpart and enter. Now after this, you want to type in list disks. Now you want to go ahead and type in disk 0. Okay, so type in select disk 0 just like so and enter. Now type in clean and enter. So type in convert mbr and enter. Now type in exit, enter, and type exit again, enter. Now go through the installation process. Select Windows 10 Pro and I accept. Next, custom, and that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more contents like this. See you in the next one. Peace.